Hello everyone, I will show you the fault for the battery of iPhone 17. iPhone 17 is the best selling iPhone among iPhone 17 series. So iPhone 17 is successful, but unfortunately this is rare. I found a fault in the battery on this iPhone. This iPhone is new, it's been 4 weeks. I got this iPhone. So when you go to battery, everything is fine, battery normal, 100%. I charge it fully. So each time I am charging the battery goes down, unfortunately. So I reported this issue with Apple, and Apple asked me to send for service. As you can see, it's 100% battery, and the cycle count is 16. So what is the fault when it's battery 100%? I will show you now. I will switch off the phone. All right. I switched off the phone. So when I stand up in the morning, I turn it on, the battery goes down. Or even you can turn it on now after less than a minute, the battery goes down. So there is error or fault we see on this iPhone 17. Now I am turning on iPhone 17. Let's check the battery health. You can see now battery goes to 99. To 99. And I not use it at all. You can see just fully charged, 100%, and I just turn it in less than a minute. I turn it off and on, and the battery goes to 99%. It's like that. Slide to power off. When I power off, even the battery 100%, it will goes down to 99 and then less. This is not good news for iPhone 17. Now, as you can see, it goes to 98. I just turn it power off and then on. In 1 minute it goes to 98. I not do anything. I hope Apple will sort out this issue and not for everyone. I hope this is a rare situation because I love Apple iPhone. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.